Hi, my name is Haley, and today I'm going to be reviewing this marker pad. I received this in exchange for my honest review. So I like the hardcover backing. This is really sturdy, and I really like the color and the size. This is 9 inches by 12 inches, which is a pretty good size for drawing. And then it comes with all these really thick coils here, and also really thick paper. So it makes it great for markers or painting or any sort of heavy medium like that. So when you use markers on it, it doesn't bleed through. So I've got this permanent marker here. We're gonna draw a simple little heart and maybe my name. So there's that. And then all we do is just tear here. And then you can see here, this is my name and the figure I drew. Absolutely nothing on the back or the next page. Amazing. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to tear as well. There's a little tear line here. Very clean. I am really impressed by that. This is seriously really thick paper. I think that this is an artist's dream right here. Now let me show you guys how it works with some paint as well. So here I'm using some pretty wet acrylics just to show you guys how strong this paper really is. Normally with a sketchbook, I am not this comfortable just painting all over it, but I trust this paper so much. It is just fantastic, and I cannot believe how much it's holding. I'm doing some blending work as well, and that gets pretty messy if you're using just a normal piece of paper. But this is such high quality, thick paper, and I am just mind blown over how good it is. This really is an artist's dream, as I mentioned before. I think that this is incredible. And dry time should be a little quicker due to how thick it is. So all in all, I think that this is a great gift for the artists in your life. I can't recommend this one enough. This is one of the best products I have ever tested. I highly recommend it.